Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the sum of following integer. So let us find the sum of these A, B, C, D options. So first of all, for A option we can see sum of 36,054 and 47,862. So this sum, if we do the simple addition, we will get what? So 4 plus 2 is 6, similarly 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 carry, and then similarly we can do the final addition. So this is the answer for A option, 83,916. This is the sum. Now for B option we have to find the sum of 16,072 and minus 3058. So minus sign is there, so basically we have to do subtraction. So 16,072 minus 3,058. So if we subtract, 2 is smaller than 8, so we have to take a carry. So when we take a carry from here, it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. So in similar manner, we will do the further subtraction. So this is the final subtraction, 13,014. So this is the answer for B option. Now in third option we have to find the sum of minus 5118 and minus 16,419. So basically if we take minus common from both the number, so we have to do the addition of 5,118 and 16,419, and after that we will apply a minus sign. So let's do the addition. 5,118 and 16,419. If we add it, we will get 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 carry means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. In similar manner, we will get this value 21,537. But we have to apply a minus sign here. So minus 21,537 is the answer for C option. Now, if we see the last option, we have to find the sum of 32,006 and 80,094. So let's do the simple addition. So when we add, we can see 6 plus 4 is 10 and 1 carry. So 1 plus 9 is 10, again 1 carry, then 2, then 8 plus 3 is 11. So the final answer is 112,100. So these are the sum of the given options, and this is the answer.